Welcome back to my channel, my dear viewers. As you know, I always bring the best of contents for you guys, and this one is another update on how to actually make money, convert your free Momo NFT to either getting free tickets or free BNB. Free, it depends on, it's actually a raffle, so whatever you get, whatever you pick is what you get. So let's see, I'm yet to run mine as well, so you'll be seeing what I get in this video. Hopefully I get one BNB. Hopefully, I don't know. So but let's go and see. Let's just go. If you are a new viewer, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell sign, so that you can always get notification for once I post new videos. So you can always get notification for that and be one of the first people to view my videos. So this Binance app, this is my Binance app. Wow, I didn't even know market is actually dropping like this. So that's that. I'm going, what the first thing you need to do, the first thing you need to do right now is click on more. Normally I always tell my guys, I told them market always dumps once it's Tuesday night towards Wednesday. I know I'm going off the topic, let's just forget about that. So it's just, you just need to monitor market. So let's go back to the business of the day, which is more. Click on more. Oh, I was supposed to show you guys, but the more is actually clear. This is it. Just click on more, then click on Binance NFT. Oh, Binance NFT. This is Binance NFT. Make sure you let the page load fully. Let's see what they have in stock for us. Yeah. So you click on user. This is user. Down here you can see here, that's user. Click on user. So you can see my collection. I only have one NFT on Binance. Actually I'm supposed to have two, because I claimed one of their, but I can't find it anymore. I don't. Okay. I think I use a different Binance account, so don't worry. And so this is it, Momo avatar. So now you have to burn it. You have to burn it, because I there was where I saw the updates that there will be, if you don't burn it and use it to claim a ticket, by June it will be locked forever and you cannot have access to it anymore. So no matter the amount they give you, it's better to take it than just making it waste at the end of the day. You just have, from the day I'm making this video, from the moment, you have just 5 days left. So I hope you watch it earlier before it gets locked forever. So this is where you click to participate. Just click on that. Click on participate now. I think there is somewhere they made the announcements. Yeah. So this is it. You can even see. You can see when the challenge will end. That's the day they will lock it forever. Okay, actually it's 14th that the ticket will close. But I wish I find where the information is. I wish I can find it so that I can show you guys. But it's actually supposed to, it will end by, let's just continue. It will actually, just make sure you run it before 6th of June. But hopefully they might postpone it, I don't know. But just to be on the safe side, just run it. No matter the amount you get, even if it's the 2 Mbox they give you, just manage it. You can see the different options of what you can get. You can see you get 2 Mbox or 10 or 2 or 5 or another 5, or you get 1 BNB if you are lucky. 2, 10, 2. Then now you see this place is not highlighted, so you can't play yet. So you need to burn your NFT. This is it here, to get free ticket for that raffle draw. So I will click on burn right now. I actually have 3 NFTs or 3. Let's just forget that. So here I'll now click OK, then you confirm. So bond successfully. You can see the play now is now highlighted. You can see it's now highlighted, so that means I can now access it. Let me click it. Let's see what they give me. Please give me something reasonable. Don't give me 2. I know they always give 2. Crazy people. So that's 2 Mbox. So what I'll just do is I'll just leave it there, since market is actually down. So hopefully when market goes up, maybe Mbox might go to something a bit reasonable. So when it go, currently I think it's around even $1 or thereabouts. So whatever I get, it's cool. It's better than none. So I always say half bread is better than none. So I'll manage that. Then if you have more than one account or more than one NFTs, you can keep on burning and getting this free ticket for this Mbox. So that's how to go about it. So I wish you guys the best. I pray you all get one BNB, even though I know they might not be giving that much to everybody. So just go and try yours too as well. But if you think you're not ready to do it, you can just leave it. But once it's that time, I believe they will lock it forever. So it's better you just claim it now. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you're yet to. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends, family and loved ones. Also please try to like the videos. Please, at least just give it a like. It doesn't cost much to just click that like button. Please and please and please, guys. Thank you very much for always watching my videos, and watch out for more videos to come soon. Thank you.